You really do that?
I ain't did nothing. He just lying.
I said you rub your butthole on my headrest. You do. You lift your tail up.
Oh, you lying.
No, you lift your tail up and you rub your butthole on the headrest.
I can't do that.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I can.
You're not supposed
Yes,
to.
I can.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
I'm sorry.
You're not.
Sorry.
I love you. Oh, that was good. Say hello. Okay. Say how are you? Say how are you? How are you? Say how are you? No, say how are you? How are you? How are you? Say how are you? How are you? How are you? Noah, say how are you?
You're fine.
That's right.
Telling Emma she is a dog.
Emma, I need to tell you something. Baby, more secret.
I'm sorry, we got more things
More
to
secret.
tell you.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Bless you. Are you ready? Yeah? I can hold your paw. Right. You ready? Emma, you're a dog. Yeah.
You are.
You're
not human. You're not human.
You're not human. Did you know?
You're
a dog.
baby.
Did you know? No? Are you surprised? Are you surprised? Yeah? But you're a dog. But we love you, okay? Yeah, we do. Don't worry.
we love you.
Don't worry. We love you. You're my children. You're my baby. You're my baby. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. But you're a dog.
Juicy, I'm getting your food ready. It's right here. We're getting it ready. What do you have to say about that? Are you hungry? I know. I'm getting your food ready. It's okay. We're gonna be okay. What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? Juicy. Okay. Okay.
Mama, come here. Look at all the cookies. Look, come here. Look at him. Look.
Why you snitching?
He ate all the cookies. Mama, punish him. Look.
What?
Boo.
I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Mama. Okay, mama. Come on, pretty girl. Where's mommy, baby? That's my girl. You say mama? Mama. You say mama? Say mama.
Okay, well do it. No, I'm not doing it. Big. You're funny. Oh, that's a new one. You're funny. If you're happy and you know it, clap your wings. Your turn. You said you're funny. You said it. That was something. That's the first time he's ever said that. You're.
Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? All right. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here. Come here.
Good. What do you say it's time to go?
Bye.
Bow, 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 bow.
Hamza, apa lagi? Hah? Bagaimana? Jauh ikan. Hamza, itu. Awal lipat. Lagi kelasnya kan lupa. Jauh ikan. Hello? Sensei. Apa lagi kita kan? Oh, kita lagi bahas. Sensei. Jangan lupa apa? Nanti bapak boleh pindah. Nanti bapak ini bahas. Sensei. Jangan dibuat keluar.
You got fresh water and you got poo-poo in there. Where? Mommy, fix it. Hey, culture on it. Oh. I'm sorry. Fresh water and you got poo-poo in there. tell you that's a one trick.
Oh, stop. I train you. You don't train me. Okay? Woohoo! Yes.
Weird.
Again with the whistles? Okay. Woohoo! Was that good?
Too fucking nuts.
It sounded like
It's
it.
good.
What did you